Pas facile de vivre dans l'ombre des golfeurs vedettes. Pourtant, semaine après semaine, tournoi après tournoi, il y a des cadets qui font tout au monde pour faire en sorte que leurs joueurs aient toutes les chances de remporter la compétition. Au 19e vous propose cette semaine le deuxième volet de notre reportage en compagnie de Brandon Little, cadet émérite sur le circuit PGA Tour, qui travaille dorénavant en compagnie de Camilo Villegas.
Bien peu de Canadiens ont eu l'occasion d'être le cadet d'un joueur du PGA Tour et encore moins la chance de partager une victoire au tournoi des maîtres. C'est pourtant ce qu'a vécu Brandon Little en 2003 lorsqu'il a aidé Mike Weir à gagner le prestigieux tournoi. Né à Saint Thomas, en Ontario, Little a commencé à jouer au golf vers l'âge de 7 ou 8 ans.
Played a lot of junior golf, ended up going to New Mexico State on a golf scholarship, finished there, played a bunch of mini tours, played the Canadian Tour for 4 years. In the wintertime, I spent down in Palm Springs, kind of working at a club practicing. And then once my golf career was over, being friends with Mike had just gotten his tour card, asked me if I wanted to come caddy for a while, and 1999, that's how it got started. Yeah, I never really thought I'd get into caddying, and we never knew how good Mike would turn out to be. But looking back, there's so many great memories, just from winning at the GVO to winning in Valderrama to the Tour Championship to obviously Augusta. It was a great experience. And obviously, you know, Mike accomplished a lot in his career.
Après avoir travaillé brièvement pour Sean O'Hair, Little s'est fait offrir le sac de Camilo Villegas. Les cadets des joueurs du PGA Tour, c'est connu, passent beaucoup de temps sur les aires d'exercice des différents sites de tournois. Mais comment ça se déroule sur le terrain la veille d'un tournoi du PGA Tour? Little a accepté de nous en donner un aperçu. Que ce soit pour noter la distance d'un coup d'approche au vert qui s'arrête à quelques pieds du fanion ou pour tout simplement tenir un cœur de pomme pendant que le joueur effectue ses coups roulés, le cadet doit porter une attention à une foule de détails qui permettent à ce dernier de se concentrer sur ce qu'il fait le mieux, soit de mettre la balle dans le trou. Ce qu'il faut retenir par contre, c'est que c'est le cadet qui doit s'adapter au joueur et non l'inverse. Little a d'ailleurs noté quelques différences dans les comportements de Weir et de Villegas.
I would say Mike and Camilo are totally different. I mean, they're both very hard workers. They do have that in common. Mike's much more intense, much more, I don't know if focused is the word. Camilo's focused too, but he's much more laid back. Mike is very, very structured. You know, really pinpoints his way around a golf course. Camilo's more of a hit it and, you know, if he has to hit driver and hit it up in the rough. You know, there are different types of golfers on the golf course.
Quand le cadet et le joueur ne s'échangent pas d'informations concernant le parcours et les stratégies à prévoir, les conversations tournent sensiblement au même sujet que s'il s'agissait de deux golfeurs amateurs.
Shot. For walking, he goes, because I used to hurt me right there on the toe.
These things are the best ones I've had.
Are they? Yeah, he said if you've got good feet, it's okay, but he said those things are made stability on the side. They're not made for walking. They're tennis shoes.
Yeah, but where this?
So you're 20 back, you're 55 off the tee.
55 off the tee?
Yep.
So at 250, yeah, I have it at 265. It starts going that way.
Right. Gets downwind, you can hit 3-wood here and draw it. 93 right here. Go to your right. Right there, whoa. You gotta go back this way. Right there. Okay. It's 83, not adjusted, so 83 and it's 80. Let's go this week, Thursday night. There's 2 games this week. You want to go?
When?
I think it's Tuesday. Maybe there's 2 games this week.
Kings?
The Kings play twice. Yeah.
Where are they playing?
I don't know. Probably a Western team, Anaheim or San Jose.
Yeah, I mean, you know, Mike was good. We'd always chat away from the shots, you know, and that's one thing he liked. We'd try to keep him loose and keep him not thinking about golf. I remember we talked wrestling, we'd talk hockey, and Mike and I we grew up, we have a ton in common. I mean, we loved hockey, wrestling at the time. You know, there was also, we'd always have stuff to chat about. And then when it came to a shot, you know, we'd kind of focus on the shot. Yeah, well, it's a little different. I mean, our interests are a little bit different. I mean, he likes cycling and soccer, and, you know, he's not into hockey, and he's not into football, and he's not into baseball. So stuff like that's different. But, you know, we find things to talk about and go from there.
En fin de compte, on réalise que la relation entre un cadet et son joueur ne se mesure pas. Pas plus que la voie sur laquelle il s'engage, et cela, Brandon Little en est pleinement conscient. Daniel Casa à Santa Monica,